Yeah, I'm back here, safe soldier. People, don't be afraid. My next videos, of course, I shall be returning to the scale models from the soldiers. But for this time, Merry Christmas and have a good New Year. I want to show you Doctor Who from Airfix, the Daleks in Manhattan kit. I found this one for 20 euros, and I'm not a great fan of Doctor Who, but I always looked for the special episodes for the Daleks, of course, because I like the Daleks. And it's a real huge box, if you can see, and this comes with the paint for Humbrol, but I don't want to talk about it. So I paint all Daleks with the Revell paint. The black one, this one is his original color. I don't paint that, only some little points. And yeah, you can see the Dalek creature in it, and Dalek Khan, of course. And they're all electronic. It's a huge kit. If you can see, a lot of plastic. This part, the background, first I didn't want to build it, but I must say, yeah, it's really nice now. It's really easy, of course. It's huge, and if I could say, it's electronic.
The final experiment will begin.
So that's what he says, and it says in
the
this one.
children of Skaro must walk again.
Yeah, thank you, Dalek. And I must say, it's a real nice kit. A little bit different, not so easy to make. Of all the parts, it looks easy, but it was quite challenging. And yeah, electronic in the head. What I don't, a little bit disappointed that you cannot move the arms of the and the laser, of course, you cannot move them. So and you cannot close it down or something. Only this two above here, you can't little bit do that. Yeah. The creature itself is from rubber, really good made. You have to paint the eye on it. No. And it comes with a lot of paint, of course. Yeah. And also a little bit strange, I want to show you this book. Can you see what the hell is this? Now, you had to cut out the decals, or you have to copy them on a copy machine. But I was lazy, so I cut it off. And it's quite stupid that they painted, or they placed it here and not on the back side where you got a lot of room. No. So yeah, that's a bit strange. Of fit some stickers on the kit. You can see here the blue things there, and the clocks are cut off from the manual instruction. Yeah, really nice figures, really big, so I'm very happy about it. That's the only thing I buy from the Doctor Who merchandise, only those Daleks, and I like them a lot. So it's a real eye catcher, and yeah, I'm very happy about this. I hope you like them. If you have any questions about this model or something, yeah, just subscribe, of course, and give a comment. Yeah, that's it for today. Next time, of course, I will show you this kit. I have some gifts from my family and friends who gave me some nice models, so always good. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you, or we're gonna hear the voice, and then I'll wish you the best for this holidays season. Okay, goodbye.
The final experiment will begin. The children of Skaro must walk again. The final experiment will begin. The children of Skaro must walk again. The final experiment will begin.
Operating the time machine is an enemy of the Daleks. All enemies of the Daleks must be destroyed. Exterminate them! Exterminate them!